Canine influenza is a highly contagious respiratory disease that can affect any dog. It's caused by influenza A virus strains H3N8 and H3N2, and it spreads easily through coughs, sneezes, and contaminated surfaces when infected dogs share close quarters. Initial signs include persistent coughing, sneezing, nasal discharge, fever, lethargy, and reduced appetite. In severe cases, the infection can progress to pneumonia, which can be life-threatening if it causes difficulty breathing or if the dog develops a secondary bacterial infection. Diagnosis is based on a combination of clinical history, physical examination, and specific PCR or antibody tests. There is no cure for canine influenza, so treatment is primarily supportive. This includes rest, hydration, anti-inflammatory medications, and antibiotics if a bacterial infection develops. Vaccination is available and it's recommended for dogs that are at higher risk, such as those in shelters, boarding facilities, or dog shows. The vaccine series consists of 2 doses initially, followed by an annual booster. To prevent the spread of canine influenza, it's important to isolate infected dogs for at least 3 weeks, practice strict hygiene, regularly disinfect shared spaces, and minimize exposure to new or unvaccinated dogs.